How's everyone doing? Just a quick little video on skinning. Um, I'm not the best skinner in the world. I don't profess to be. I just learned my way, um, literally by trial and error. So I'm just going to show you a basic video on the beginnings of learning how to change the XMLs for skin. So first of all, the skin I'm using is Aeon Nox Silvo. Um, so what you want to do first is download a program. It's here called Notepad++. Download and install that. It just makes it easier to find for altering the code. So once you download that, come down to here. You want to type in allow hidden files and enable that. Once you do that, you can come into this part of Kodi. And then you want to go to your add-ons, down to the skin you're using, and then up to here then. But this video today, we're just going to do a basic go. So we're going to includes home, right click, edit with notepad. So it'll bring you up to, you'll see this, and you look at this and you think, oh my God, where do I even start? Gotta be crazy to even mess with any of this. But don't try, you don't learn. And it's literally how I learned was just by me messing things up, thinking, well, that didn't work, I'll try again. And eventually you think to yourself, well, I'm not going to do that because I've done that last time. And look what happened. If you do mess up, it's not the end of the world. You just start again. So here is your horizontal sub menu. We're actually going to go down to uh, horizontal menu because this is the menu that we're using. You can have the vertical menu if you want, but we're actually using the horizontal menu. So the first thing we see is top 453. And this is basically the position of the menu bar. If you noticed earlier on, the menu bar is here's the menu bar. This is the actual menu bar here. So the little black bar, black grey bar you see behind, that is your menu bar. Back out of that a bit. You notice the position on that. We want to change that. So just go take that off. Save it. Reopen Kodi. See it's way up here. Now you might think, I don't want it up there. I'm not happy with it there. Come out of that and you think, I'll just go back to what it was. So if you see this up here, forward and you're back. So we're going to change it to the 503, which bring it down. So brought it down here. Now you're looking at this now and you're thinking, well, I'm not really happy with that. How can I get rid of that? Turn the power. There. So what we'll do, we go up to, this is where it is, library stats. So your menu system bar. So you can adjust it here. So this is the animation using. So we don't want that. So if I just delete this part here, this is the PNGs, the actual uh, picture, if you like, of the actual menu bar. So the system bar. We'll save that, and then you'll notice then system bar that was along here has disappeared. If you wanted to keep it, but you didn't like the color of it, just go back, just putting that bar back in there. But we want to change the color of it, or the diffused color. So we'll change that to, I don't know, blue, say. Save it. Slowly again. And you'll see the diffused is blue. Not very blue. Rid of that. Change it to red. See what I mean? Just change that bar to red. But we don't really want it looking up there, do we? So we'll move it. Where to move that now? We got up here again. It says top the position. So we'll change it to try that. Like I said, it's trial and error. Right, so it's a little bit too much now. Come out of that again. Well, let's say 4, 6, 7. Which is pretty much bang on there. So you've moved it from this position here down. Now, let's say, for instance, you wanted to move that over to the left-hand side. So we'd go down to, get rid of it. I don't want the actual bar there. Delete that. So we go down. Left. See the left here. So go like that. So it's that one anyway. Like I said, it's trial and error. With this skin, haven't really done a lot with that particular skin, but as you can see, it's moved over. So we can adjust that again. So we'll change it to 0. That. Again. Still not moved over as much as I want it to. So I'll show you how to do this now. Click on power. Right, so now we go minus, say 30. That. Should be somewhere. No, a bit more. Minus 10. Take it right over. Imagine. Still needs to go over. Power. Out of line. Got to left. Oh, disappear now. This. There you go. So we've gone too much. So power. 30. The line is quite important because it's saying